Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning how the alphabet P sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P for pot. I cook with my pot. P for pot. I cook with my pot. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P for pen. I write with my pen. P for pen. I write with my pen. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P for pan. I fry with my pan. P for pan. I fry with my pan. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P for pineapple. Pineapple is yummy. P for pineapple. Pineapple is yummy. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. P for pink. Pink is a color. P for pink. Pink is a color. P sounds P. Letter P sounds P. Did you enjoy that? Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and Casey.